Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can create a LinkedIn newsletter. And this is quite simple. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is log into your LinkedIn account, and then from here you need to start a newsletter. Because right here you can start a post, try writing with AI, but from here we click on write article. Then right now we can write an article just right here, but if you go to the top screen just right here, click on manage and then click on create newsletter, you can create a newsletter just like this. Now give this newsletter a name, update, then select how often you want to publish. So let's say we want to do it on a weekly base, and then give your newsletter a description. So I give you an update about my YouTube journey, something like that. You can upload an image if you want to. No, for me it's not necessary. And then after this, we click on done. And right now we just created our newsletter, and then you can create your articles and editions from here. Alright, this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.